Thursday, January 11th, 2024. Focus. I will be clean. I can still remember the leper seated near the school gate, waiting for alms from passers-by. Sometimes I would give him something, but in a rather self-conscious and awkward manner. I would literally throw a coin into his begging bowl from a distance, at least I get infected too. In Jesus' time, and even during our childhood, leprosy was seen as a dreadful, contagious disease, something to be avoided at all costs. Although lepers were considered unclean and untouchable, Jesus was moved by the leper's faith and the fact that he left to him the choice to cure him or not. Jesus also knew that if he decided not to cure him, the leper would be disappointed and might not even hold it against him. Filled with compassion and love, and against all social norms, Jesus chose to touch and heal him. Would we consider coming close to a leper even today? Instead of following Jesus' loving ways, we still recoil from those with various diseases, whether contagious or not. God works wonders in our lives all the time, but unlike this leper, we forget to be grateful to him, and we hesitate to share with others the good news of Christ. In striving to be Christ-like, we can be more empathetic towards the distressed and grateful to God for his goodness to us. Fruit. Do I honestly admit there are people I shun? Can I question myself why I do so?